Welcome to our technical analysis of AQMS. In this video, we'll break down the latest trends, signals, and what they mean for investors. AQMS has recently shown a buy signal with medium confidence, supported by 4 buy signals and 2 sell signals out of 9 indicators. The stock has experienced notable volatility, starting from around 5.17 in late June, dropping to a low of 3.37 in early August, and now making a strong recovery to 7.3. Let's explore what's driving this movement and what you should watch for next. On the most recent trading day, AQMS experienced a dramatic price jump from 4.95 to 7.3. This move was accompanied by a very high trading volume of over 26 million shares, signaling strong buying interest. Such a surge in both price and volume often indicates that investors are optimistic about the stock's short-term prospects. This kind of activity can also attract more traders looking to capitalize on the momentum, further fueling the price movement. Volume analysis reveals even more about AQMS's recent activity. The on-balance volume (OBV) indicator stands at over 56 million, showing clear accumulation and increasing buying pressure. The volume profile highlights significant trading activity between the price zones of 4.92 and 7.2 These levels are important because they represent areas where many shares have changed hands, often acting as future support or resistance. Looking at moving averages, both the short-term SMA5 and EMA5 are below the current price, indicating bullish momentum. This means that in the very near term, buyers are in control and the stock is trending upward. Such alignment of short-term moving averages below the current price is often seen as a positive sign for traders seeking quick gains. Medium-term moving averages, SMA20 and EMA20, are also positioned below the current price. This further supports the idea that AQMS is in a short-term uptrend. When both short and medium-term averages align this way, it often signals that the trend has some staying power, at least for the near future. However, when we look at the longer-term moving averages, SMA 200 and EMA 200 both are well above the current price. This suggests that despite the recent rally, the longer-term trend remains bearish. It's a reminder that while short-term momentum is strong, the stock has not yet reversed its longer-term downtrend. Trend indicators add more detail to the picture. The ADX is at 31.31, which indicates a moderate trend strength. The plus DI is at 53.07, while the minus DI is at 6.69, showing a strong bullish bias. These values suggest that buyers are dominating the current trend and the momentum is clearly in their favor. Arun indicator is another tool that helps identify the strength of a trend. With Arun up at 100 and Arun down at 8, the reading is extremely bullish. This means the stock has recently hit new highs and there's little sign of a reversal in the immediate future. Such a strong Arun reading often attracts momentum traders. Momentum indicators show that AQMS is currently overbought, with an RSI of 73.45. However, the MACD remains bullish at 0.39 and the histogram is positive. This combination suggests that while the stock is overbought, the upward momentum is still intact. Traders should be aware that overbought conditions can sometimes lead to short-term pullbacks. Volatility is a key factor for traders. The Bollinger Bands show an upper band at 5.95, a middle band at 4.2, and a lower band at 2.45. The current price is above the upper band, indicating strong momentum but also signaling that the stock may be overextended. The ATR at 0.75 reflects moderate volatility, suggesting that price swings are likely but not extreme. Volume indicators continue to confirm the accumulation phase. The increasing OBV and high trading volumes reinforce the idea that buyers are actively accumulating shares. This kind of volume behavior often precedes further price increases, especially when combined with bullish technical signals. Linear regression analysis offers a different perspective. The slope is slightly negative at -0.02, indicating a minor downward trend. The R2 value is low at 0.25, showing weak correlation. Interestingly, the predictive value is 3.77 while the actual price is 7.3. This means the stock is performing much better than the trend line would suggest, highlighting its recent outperformance. Deviation percent from the regression line is a striking 93.74%. This means the current price is well above what the regression model would predict. Such a large deviation often signals that the stock is in a strong momentum phase, but it can also be a warning that prices may revert closer to the trend line in the future. Based on the current trend and technical indicators, the opening price for the next trading day is likely to be in the range of 7.2 to 7.4. This prediction reflects the ongoing bullish momentum from the recent price jump and the strong buying interest seen in the market. Resistance levels are important for traders to watch. The first resistance is at 5.95, which is the upper Bollinger Band, but the current price is already above this. The next resistance levels are at 8.14 and 9.26 based on Fibonacci retracement levels. These are potential areas where the stock may face selling pressure. Support levels provide a safety net for investors. The key supports are at 4.2, which is both the middle Bollinger Band and the SMA 20, 3.37 as the recent low, and 2.5 as a psychological level. These levels can act as potential entry points or areas to watch for a bounce if the price pulls back. The current price of 7.3 is above all short and medium-term moving averages as well as the upper Bollinger Band. This positioning indicates strong short-term bullish momentum, but also suggests that the stock is in overbought territory. It's a signal for traders to be alert for possible pullbacks. With an ATR value of 0.75, the potential high for the next day is estimated at 8.05, while the potential low is 6.55. This range reflects the moderate volatility of AQMS and suggests that traders should be prepared for price swings within this band. In a bullish scenario, if AQMS maintains its current momentum, it could move towards the 8.14 resistance level. Continued buying interest and strong technical signals would support this move. Traders looking for upside should monitor volume and momentum indicators for confirmation. In a neutral scenario, AQMS could consolidate between 6.8 and 7.6 as it digests the recent sharp rise. This period of sideways movement would allow the stock to establish a new base before deciding its next direction. Traders should watch for a breakout above or below this range. In a bearish scenario, if AQMS fails to hold above the 6.5 level, it could retrace towards the 4.2 support. Overbought conditions and the position above the upper Bollinger Band make this a possibility. Risk management is crucial in this scenario, and traders should be prepared for increased volatility. Sum up, AQMS currently shows bullish signals with medium confidence for the short term. The recent price jump and high volume point to strong buying interest, but overbought indicators and the position above the upper Bollinger Band suggest caution. Investors should consider taking profits or setting stop losses to manage risk, especially given the potential for short-term volatility. Stay alert and make informed decisions as the situation develops.